Hi, welcome back to our channel. Want to unlock the secret to luscious, healthy hair? What if I told you that some of the best remedies are hiding in your fruit bowl? In today's video, we're diving into 10 amazing fruits that not only taste great but can also supercharge your hair growth and thickness. I've struggled with thinning hair for years, and after researching natural remedies, I discovered the incredible benefits of these fruits. I can't wait to share them with you. From nutrient-packed avocados to antioxidant-rich berries, I'll show you how to incorporate these delicious fruits into your hair care routine. Make sure to stick around until the end for some DIY recipes you won't want to miss, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on hair care. Here's a deeper dive into each fruit, including specific benefits, how to use them, and some additional tips. Avocado benefits. Rich in vitamins E and B, which help to nourish and moisturize hair. How to use. Blend avocado with olive oil and apply it as a hair mask for 30 minutes before rinsing. This can help combat dryness. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Benefits. High in antioxidants that fight free radicals, promoting healthier hair. How to use. Add berries to your morning smoothie or yogurt. You can also make a berry-infused hair rinse. Bananas benefits. Contain silica, which helps strengthen hair and prevent split ends. How to use. Mash a ripe banana with a bit of honey and apply it as a nourishing hair mask. Oranges benefits. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, vital for hair structure. How to use. Drink fresh orange juice daily or use the peel to make a scalp scrub. Papaya benefits. Contains folic acid, which can stimulate hair growth and enhance scalp health. How to use. Blend ripe papaya into a paste and mix it with yogurt for a hydrating mask. Guava benefits. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that protect against hair loss. How to use. Make a guava leaf tea and use it as a rinse after shampooing. Pomegranates benefits. Help improve blood circulation to the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. How to use. Drink pomegranate juice or use the seeds in salads for a nutritious boost. Kiwi benefits. High in vitamins E and C, which support scalp health and hair shine. How to use. Add kiwi to fruit salads or smoothies or make a kiwi hair mask mixed with honey. Coconut benefits. Provides essential fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft, reducing protein loss. How to use. Use coconut oil as a pre-wash treatment by applying it to dry hair and leaving it out. Coconut apples benefits. Contain fluorescein, which can help increase hair density. How to use. Eat apples raw or make apple cider vinegar diluted with water as a hair rinse to enhance shine and... So there you have it. We explored 10 incredible fruits that can promote hair growth and thickness, from avocados to pomegranates. I encourage you to incorporate these fruits into your diet or hair care routine. You might be surprised by the results. Don't forget the DIY masks and rinses we talked about. They're simple to make and packed with nutrients for your hair. I'd love to hear your experiences with these fruits. Have you tried any of them for your hair? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could use some hair care tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and here's to healthier, thicker hair. See you in the next video.